If you look at what astronomy was considered 3,000, 4,000 years ago, the planets were considered sacred. And to see them in the sky was a big deal. And these days, and what I have showing here is January 10th, 2016. Today is January 24. Um, if you wake up early in the morning, 6 a.m., and you look towards your eastern sky, so in this simulation, we are facing south. If you look to your right hand side, you have Venus, Saturn, Mars, Jupiter, and few of its moons happen to be labeled. So they are not that far, but it just the label just appearing there. And I have Haumea, which is a dwarf planet. And this is the so-called alignment of planets as you see them in the sky, right? So, and what I will do, I will advance the time one day at a time, always at 6 a.m. So, assuming you can be up this time, and then you can see these planets kind of dancing again across the sky, having these stars in the background. And as we move on, you see that Venus every day at 6 a.m. start approaching more and more the horizon, and then a little bit of twilight comes in and reducing the contrast between these planets and the dark sky. Now we are what, January 18, 19, and the moon is coming in on the 24th, which is today. It's up waning, Giva's gonna be pretty much close to Jupiter. So if you are receiving this now, you can, you know, go out and look east, and you might be able to see the waning Gibbous moon close to Jupiter. Mars is in there, Saturn, Venus, and Mercury is coming in. Mercury is showing up. It's gonna be in a very close approach, as we see in the sky, to Venus. And moon is going to last quarter, waning third quarter, close to Mars and past Mars, all at 6 a.m. And Venus is saying goodbye. Pluto is another dwarf planet is coming in. So if I advance the time a little bit, so I'm advancing time on February 6th, which is Saturday in the morning. So by 6:30 or so, you still might be able to see Venus in the sky, but twilight is going to be a problem. Okay, so let's go back to 6 a.m. Let's go back to probing day. And then Jupiter goes down the western sky. But as you can see nicely, you'll be able to see nicely Jupiter, Mars, Saturn, and Venus saying goodbye. And Mercury is it's gonna be tough. It's really tough. But anyway, that's it. That's my story.